So here along the canal side, as you can see, the waterfalls are off today, but I've noticed something. It's over here to do with them. That's quite interesting. Walking on the bridge. Pipe going in. Look over here. I'll show you. On this matic crane here. Just here. Look at this. That's the pump. The pump's out, the water's connected too. So yeah, these are our lowest hydraulic pumps. We've got the pump still having a impeller going around inside it, sucking the water. I think it's got like a hydraulic pump round thing up and down, sucking in the water. I don't know nothing about centrifugal pumps at all. In fact, just pumps in general, really. So that's disconnected. Thought I'd show you that just out of interest, really. Just, you know, because my channel was meant to be on based on certain stuff like waterfalls as well for my listening trains. Oh, there you guys. Flying past the Spinnaker Tower, and that's it.